Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're in the town of ILLROA in the province of Granada, Andalucia, to show you this edge of town countryside type property. It's an independent 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house with lots of garden and a huge storeroom which you could convert into more living space. So I'm going to show you that first. As you can see, they really love the garden. It is quite beautiful here. And we think this is around 44 square meters. So as you can see, it's just a structure where we think you could make a 1-ensuite and then an open plan kitchen, sitting room, dining room at the other end. But it would be very nice. And when you change these windows as well, there are beautiful views over the countryside and the town. So we'll go back along this little path. You can see there's a little bit more garden, and there's plenty of space here to have your own allotment. You can see it's all really beautifully kept, very, very nicely done. And then we have this lovely patio at the front of the bungalow. And then let's go in to the really good sized hallway. Nice high ceilings in this house. Just on the right here is a little storeroom, a pantry. And if you wanted to, you could probably take down the 2 walls that make the entranceway, because neither of them look load bearing. Of course, you would have to check with an architect before doing anything like that. And then we come in to a good sized dining room. There's everything that you need in this town, and this house is walking distance to all amenities. And through to a fitted kitchen. It's in a very typical Andalucia style. Let me just pull the curtain aside so you can have a little look at the view. I'm going to show you the bedrooms first, and they're very much in a Spanish traditional style. So each bedroom is off the other bedroom. So we start with this one, we walk through to here. The owner tells me that this is the coolest bedroom because it's partly underground. And then you go through to the last of the bedrooms. Now we think it would be a good idea to cut through this window here, which takes you to the sitting room, and make this bedroom and the bedroom behind me into one large bedroom dressing room, and block off this door. So you would enter the room via the sitting room here. It would mean you only have 2 bedrooms, but you'd have a good sized bedroom here and then a very large bedroom just behind. But also you have the large almacen, so you could make another completely independent living space. And then we come through to a really nice light-filled sitting room. And just off here is the laundry. And then you have the bathroom. Now, of course, with this, you could incorporate the 2 sections together if you wanted to. And then you have nice views over the town and over the countryside. We do have an extendable blind here, which you can put over when it's very hot. And then just down here, you can see a little bit more of the plot, but I will be going down there to show you that properly. So we've just come outside the house now, and I'm going to show you that little bit downstairs. So we come down this slope here. As you can see, there's some beautiful plants and things. There's a little terrace up here, which is off the large storeroom that I showed you. And then as we go down, we're now going underneath the sitting room, and this was an original stable and animal pen. So they probably would have had maybe a donkey, a couple of pigs, perhaps goats here, and you have water as well. So this is a great place where you can make a conversion. So let me show you this little bit first, and then I'll show you just behind me. So it's a really nice space. It's the same size as the room above. And as you can see here, if you look at the construction, not just of this part, but also of other parts of the property, that large almacen that I showed you, it's really good construction. It's very, very strong. So when you're doing your building work, you have a good foundation on which to build. And now I'm going to show you another really large area. So we go through here, this huge space. And again, it's another area that you could convert into living space. But I think with the light that we have here, if you were to change the windows, this would make an amazing studio or yoga room. And again, as we go, we'll take a look at the ceiling and you can see that it's really well constructed. And just at the other end here, we can go through and there's a lovely little bit of garden. We're going to go down this way and we'll work our way round the side. You can see here there's some nice original stones, passing a fig tree, there's an olive tree, there's some fruit trees over there, looks like lemon. It's a grapevine. So this is a really great place for someone who wants to be in the town but really wants to feel like they have the ability, as they would have if they were in the countryside, to grow their own fruit and veg, to have chickens perhaps. There's plenty of space here to do those things. So we're now going down the side of the house. Here we have the barn that we were just in. And then we'll keep going. It's all very, very nicely kept. Up there is the terrace that you could see from the other side. So we're quite low down here. They're all mains services. So you have mains electricity, mains water, and of course mains sewage, because we're on the edge of the town. Now we can go up this way and also down here too. So I'm going to take us up, I think, to try and get a good look of the rest of the land. So just along here, I mean, obviously parts of the garden are quite steep, but there are several terraces, and you can of course do more terracing if you wanted to. There's a nice big lemon tree there. I think this area would be ideal for a small pool, because you can come through here and then you could make some privacy with either planting or with some kind of sheeting or that kind of stuff. But this would be quite nice for a pool, I think, here. So I'm just going to wander back down this way. Let me see if I can get through here. Yes, I can. So we're kind of going around in a big circle now. This door's a little bit tricky. And then we have a small terrace, and you go up, and these you can see would originally have been for birds. So there's lots and lots of spaces if you wanted to actually have rabbits, birds, or just make these into storerooms or studios. And then we should be coming through here. And now we're coming full circle. So we're back into the area where we saw the animal pens originally. So it's an extremely interesting property with massive potential. We really hope that you've enjoyed this video, and we look forward to showing you around this beautiful house with wonderful garden. Please leave your comments in the section below, and to request a viewing, either do that by phone or by asking in the comments section. Please follow our YouTube channel, like and share, that really does help us. And we'll be seeing you very, very soon. Thank you for watching.